Here's a quick fix for your AirPods Pro 3 noise issue, like loud or painful sounds, static, or hissing. Follow the solutions mentioned in the video description. The first solution is to turn off Active Noise Cancellation. Some users reported that this fixed the issue. Keep your AirPods connected to your iPhone, then go to the control center. Press and hold the volume slider, tap on listening mode, and select transparency mode. That's it. Go back to your iPhone and play something to check if the problem is fixed. Also, make sure your iPhone and AirPods are updated. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app, scroll down to General, then tap Software Update. Download any available updates to fix potential sound bugs. To update your AirPods Pro, connect them to your iPhone, place both AirPods in the charging case, and plug the case into power. Wait for about 15 to 30 minutes for the update to install automatically. You can check the AirPods firmware version in the AirPods settings. Scroll down and check the version of your AirPods Pro. Sometimes blocked speaker grills can cause crackling noise. Clean any earwax or debris using a proper cleaning solution or isopropyl alcohol with a microfiber cloth. Another recommendation is to try different ear tips and check the fit in your ears. Slightly twist the AirPods to get a proper seal. We can fix the internal software issue on AirPods Pro 3 using a hard reset. To reset AirPods Pro 3, keep both the AirPods in the charging case. Double tap 3 times continuously until the light on the charging case is amber, white, and then orange. If it's not, then try again to reset your AirPods Pro 3. Reconnect your AirPods to your iPhone and check again. If nothing works and it seems like a hardware issue, Apple may replace your AirPods if they are under warranty due to a manufacturing defect. Some units may be faulty, and even replacements can sometimes have the same issue. You can check your warranty status online using the serial number. That's it. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Please like to support me and don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos.